Hey guys, this is Bess and welcome back to another Draw YouTuber. This time we're doing Run JD Run! Alright, yeah, we're doing Run JD Run. This is JD Witherspoon if you don't know. And he is a gamer, guys. A gamer slash rapper slash voice actor slash everything. This guy can do it all. I've been watching him for a while now. Like, I've been subscribed for a while. Not as long as I've been subscribed to Dashi, but, you know, enough, I would say, to, you know, get a little understanding of him and actually like his personality, like the person that he is. I think he's a very inspiring person. He has a lot of positive things to say, and he acts positively, he thinks positively, and, you know, I just like his style and his flow. Again, guys, he's a gamer. He does all types of games from new to old. I think he also does reviews of games, and I think I'm also subscribed to his JD Witherspoon channel, which is just him talking about his life and stuff, and how, you know, he's in a car and he raps and stuff and freestyles in a car. Another cool thing about him is he does rap like Dashi. I think, in my opinion, he's more of like a battle rapper. He has that battle rapper feel that he can take anyone on. And I like that because, you know, I come from New York City. I come from the place of rap. So that is, to hear somebody with a nice flow and to go at someone with just very poetically, I feel that that's beautiful. And he's just a really cool person for that. I know that I'm like pretty much fangirling, but yeah, that's basically how I feel about the situation. He's another big YouTuber that I watch before I go to bed, and you know, I just have fun watching his videos, watching him and the way he reacts and how he, you know, cuts his videos up is it's really nice. It's really nice to see that. Right now his current status is 384,000 plus, and I say plus because he has extra subscribers ongoing, and I believe he's going to continue to grow, and he's going to hit higher than anything. To me, I feel like he's a big YouTuber already. A cool thing that I didn't know, that I just found out maybe a year ago, was the fact that his dad is JD Witherspoon Sr., dude. Like, the guy from Friday, the Pops, you know? And that's like crazy because I didn't think of that. I didn't put that together. And I saw it in a video once, and me and my husband was bugging out because we were like, yo, he's for real, you know, he's a famous guy's son. Like, that's crazy. So, you know, I really give kudos to JD, and the simple fact is he hit it so well, and, you know, he's himself. He's not seen as his father's son, he's seen as himself, and I like that a lot. Like, I think that's really dope. So yeah, guys, I give 100% kudos to this guy. Honestly speaking, somebody wrote in the Dashi video, yo, you gonna do, you know, JD? And I was like, yeah, you know, I'm gonna do JD. Like, well, they didn't know because, you know, they were new, but I was like, you darn Skippy, I'm gonna do JD because JD is my dude. So I'm going ahead, and, you know, I just want to do a tribute. I think it's awesome to draw these different people because you love them so much. You give them that extra oomph. And what I mean by that is, I wanted to give him, when I did his polls, I wanted to give him his very anime type feel, because he's very what do you call it? He's very cartoony in his own way because he does his voices, like he does Sonic voice and all that. So, you know, I wanted to give him that, to give him a little oomph in this piece. And I try to pay attention to every single detail. I did look at the body and everything just to make sure that he's correct. What I did notice from JD is that he either wears a hoodie with graphics on it or not, or he wears a plain colored shirt, or he wears a plain color shirt with a graphic on it. So what I had in plans with this one was to have a plain color shirt but a graphic on the side, and the graphic will be his logo. You're gonna see that towards the end. So just putting that out there. I went with a Nintendo Switch controller, and that's because, you know, I felt that it was more comfortable in somebody's hand to like hold it up. Like I know every other console, like PlayStation 4 and stuff like that, but I just wanted that big nice feel as if it was, you know, it was a big controller. You know, I just wanted that big pow. And being that Nintendo Switch right now is doing really good. And I see a lot of people play it. I know he likes to play Mario, Zelda, and all that. I was like, hey, that's fitting for him too. Him and Dashi have like that nice connection where they both like Mario and all that. So yeah, I was like, why not? So I did that, and you know, I have fun. The only thing that I did different with this Pro controller was I added the USB cord to charge it, and the only reason why I did that is because nowadays you notice that controllers are wireless and they don't have that bulkiness to it anymore. So I wanted to give that wire going around, like if he's ready to plug in. So that's what I wanted to give to it. And with this, I gave it like a little bit of a boondock type of feel, especially with the hair. JD has very curly hair, so I didn't want to sit there and draw every individual curl. So I went with a regular old afro like he has on the top, and you know, hit it off with some texturized things just to make it more, you know, maybe make it more dramatic. I added all the textures that I could on it, and also added like highlights with the texture. Another thing that I did to the controller was add, you know, some type of technology inside of it, because that's what this the Nintendo Switch's Pro controller looks like. It has that, you know, that texturized stuff inside of it that looks like technology, which I really like. And what I also did was I just gave him a regular old green background, you know, because he does green screen also, but he doesn't do it as much. So, you know, I just wanted to give him that green, cool little pow, you know, background, and just play it off really nicely so that it can match all together. And another thing that you're going to see here, I did add his freckles, because he does have freckles, believe it or not. I'm not too sure if you guys notice it, but he does. And, you know, I made some big and some small, and I just, you know, played off of it a lot so that it could look good. And, you know, I did my best. I did my best to accomplish, you know, his style, who he is, you know. I like to draw people who I know so that I can have a feel for how it's going to come out, you know. You always want that little bit. So after I was done, this is how it came out looking, and I think it came out looking super good. I like it. I think I expressed his personality very well, and I hope that you guys like it also. So if you liked it, please hit that like, and yeah, shout out your favorite YouTuber down below. I like that. Again, guys, if you're new here and you're like, hey Vess, I like the way you do stuff and doing the YouTubers, keep going with that, go ahead and hit that subscribe. I do things like this, and I continuously do art related content, so yes, you will see that from time to time. Again, guys, remember that I stream 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, so be there, yo. We have fun. It'd be crazy, you know. We enjoy each other there. So come down, have fun with us. Yes, guys, so thank you for liking, sharing, telling a friend, and helping a friend. Have an amazing rest of the day. Bye bye.